Hey, if you want to download the iPhone keyboard on your Redmi Pad SE, first you have to open the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Green Apple Keyboard. That's the application that we are going to use that will allow us to use the same keyboard like on the iPhone. So we have to click Install button and it will take around a few seconds. There we go. Right now we have to click Open. Tap to enable in the settings. So right now we will be moved to the settings and you have to click right here on this icon and then tap to turn on keyboard. Of course we have to click OK 2 times. Then we have to go back and tap to switch input methods. And from the Gboard we have to switch to the Green Apple keyboard and click OK, and right now it looks like it's finished. So let's try if it works. We can open the keyboard, for example, right here in the messages. Okay, I will try to do this in the settings because it was some weird notification. And as you can see here, we've got this keyboard that looks really close to the iOS, iPhone or iPad. And yeah, you can also open this application, the Green Apple keyboard, and you can adjust some settings, like for example the sound on the key press, pop-up on key press, and also we can change the themes when you tap right here, for example. So we can switch it, for example, to the dark theme. And right now when I'm gonna open it and click right here, okay, it didn't change for some reason. But yeah, that's how we can get the Apple keyboard. Bye bye.